Hey guys, welcome back to Dow Jones Futures Review. It's been a while, been away, but let's get right back into what we're seeing. For those of you that have not been here before, the white lines represent major levels. These little orange lines are minor levels used for confluence, for profit taking, and for sometimes for triggers as well. So we know where to enter above our signal. Right now, we're looking at a 6 hour chart on Dow Jones Futures. Been watching this bull flag for a while. We had an almost exact touch right here I mentioned in previous video. We bounced. Right now, we are currently above this bull flag. We broke through finally after 8 attempts, pushed off of it, came back to this resistance zone. We'll talk about it in a bit. Under comeback sold and bounced off of that bull flag, which is now support, prior resistance. Simple stuff there. Currently, this resistance I was talking about, we came here and tested it about a month ago. We finally pushed through beginning of October, and then it was a battleground for us for a whole week. We sold from there finally, and then we back tested it a week ago. We came back finally this week. We broke through, came back down below it, and now we're trying to push through. So if we can get through this resistance, we'll see further upside. Below that though, and that would be ideal for everyone, is a pullback. And obviously we have the low set here, right at that bull flag. It will be weaker now, but if we can get a dip in recovery here of this level, and then a failed breakdown of this one, that'd be ideal at the minimum. We might only come down to this dip in recovery level, but again, we're pretty close to recent highs. It's not ideal, but that will be a setup. The next setup below that would be the failed breakdown of this low, where we can dip below, hit this level. This level could be minor or major, but is a little bit congested right here. That's why you see so many levels. They're still all mainly 10 to 15 points apart, if not more. But moving forward, just always looking for setups near the white lines. Those are the major levels. If we can get a little more selling and pullback, this level right here would be a great place for a long potentially. You would be 40 points below, 45 points below the current little push here. So that'd be a decent amount of selling to come into. And if we keep on selling below that, all these levels could be potential places that you're looking for a bounce, and then ideally a recovery of this level once again. Below there, you're looking at a retesting at these levels. We broke out from there earlier in September, and we dipped below a couple times, and every time we recovered, we went pretty long. There were setups of some failed breakdowns here, but it was a little quick selling, so you had to go up and take the longer on here most of the time. Had a little dip in recovery here again, and one more here. So definitely some strength to this level down here. Who knows if it has one more bounce? You could definitely look for it. It probably will happen. And if not, we keep selling, then these lows right here would be great for a failed breakdown if we can get down there. As usual, Dow Jones likes to undercut one or two lows, but not all of them. So I would love to see maybe a failed breakdown, even of just this a bear bull line down here. And the reason that being the bear bull line, obviously you can see all the tests of that level. We tested it hard and sold down, pushed through, undercut it once, undercut it twice again, consolidated for a little while there, eventually pushing off of it a few times and then setting new highs. So this whole area and this whole zone is definitely a lot of strength there. So if we can get down there and test these lows, then liquidate some people, test this bottom side of the bull flag, that'd be a perfect way to get long going into November. So that is what I'm looking for. A nice little pullback here will be great, of upwards of 150, 170 points. If we don't get that though, obviously above, we'll just continue to keep going and we'll get new levels as we get new price discovery. The main setup I'm looking for right now will be a failed breakdown of the lows from earlier. If we can get back yesterday, if we can get down there, test one of these levels and then recover somewhere around 46.68, that will be a really good long to get into the end of October as well, possibly, as we continue to be very bullish on Dow Jones futures. Let's look at the 30-minute real quick to see if there's anything I can tell you there. There's really not much. It's just very, very busy and a lot of consolidating today. So let's see if we can come down here and dip and recover these lows, tag one of these levels, and then you can use the other one above for a trigger. So if you can tag this level, you could probably go long here. If you tag this level, you can probably go long at the DNR. If we just sell fast and tag this, you could probably go long above, right, this minor level to back test this before further selling. Check that out. I'll post you on what happens. Have a good night, guys.